Dear our esteemed elders, the royal households, revered kingdoms, respected chieftaincies, fathers and mothers, and my brothers and sisters all over African dominion entities globally. Guided by the wisdom of our ancestors and the aspirations of our future generations, I, your humble son from the western lands of our dominion, presently called Ghana, respectfully seek your attention. I'm honored to present to you a project and issue that I have been mandated to share with all of you. Since the liberation of African territories in the 1960s, a concerning trend has emerged among the nations of the global African dominion. Rather than innovating with indigenous solutions, we often find ourselves replicating, copy-pasting, the institutional frameworks, systems, processes, and procedures of the Europeans who once dominated our lands. African Peomocracy, conceived and designed by Africans, revives and adapts the ancestral governance structures that reflect the practices of our forebears. The core essence of African Peomocracy lies in its singular and paramount objective: the creation and preservation of value, wealth, and welfare for its upholders, the true owners and beneficiaries of the Peomocratic system and the populace of the global African household. Wealth creation within this visionary system is envisaged to be carried out through the strategic use of value vehicles and the exploitation of our unique concept of wealth industry complexes, as detailed in the e-book African Nonism and Peomocracy. It also outlines how a percentage of returns generated from the infrastructures of our value vehicles and wealth industry complexes are equally disbursed to the accounts of the upholders monthly. More about this will be discussed later. African Peomocracy is fundamentally a contributory system. The operational backbone of African Peomocracy is the Proposition Decision System, PropDec, currently under development. This system facilitates collaboration between the general public contributors, the people, and the administrative multi-contributors, who, although they have no decision-making powers, play a crucial role in studying issues, analyzing options, and drafting propositions of ideals and solutions. These propositions are then presented to the constituent people, who hold the final decision-making authority. Indeed, in African Peomocracy, the decisions are made by the collective constituent people, the upholders. Furthermore, African Peomocracy features a unique selection process for civil servant contributors who operate all institutions within the system. Individuals are directly selected or nominated by the constituent people through the PropDec system, effectively eliminating the need for traditional political mechanisms such as elections, representatives, political parties, and politically appointed officials. That's right, in African Peomocracy, there are no leaders, elections, representatives, political parties, or politically appointed officials. More details on this will follow. This model of governance, African Peomocracy, is more than a system. It's a reconnection with our ancestral roots integrated into its design. It represents our aspiration to draw from the wisdom and practices of our ancestors while innovatively addressing the contemporary needs and challenges of our times and people. In the next video, part 2 of Characteristics of African Nonism and Peomocracy, we delve into the subject of wealth creation and you. See you soon.